American auto giant Tesla will send a team to India this month to scout for locations for a $3 to $4 billion manufacturing plant. This as per a Financial Times report. Separately, sources tell CNBC-TV18 that Tesla executives are in close touch with the Indian government. And Tata Motors and Vietnam's Vinfast are also exploring an application under the new electric vehicle manufacturing policy. Parikshit is standing by now with more details. Parikshit, the possibility of Tesla scouting for locations in India and setting up a plant in India now have been buzzing for months. Where are we in that process?
Well, in the last few months, there have been very close negotiations between the Indian government and Tesla. We believe that there are positive indications coming in, and sources in the government are very confident that Tesla is going to avail of this policy. In fact, we pick up from sources that it could be less than a month when Tesla could actually indicate and give clarity on its India plans. This policy, of course, allows a company to import a certain number of vehicles, approximately 8,000, at a concessional duty rate of 15% instead of 100% currently, in return for making an investment commitment. Not just Tesla, you have Vietnam's electric vehicle maker Vinfast, which has already entered India. They are ready to explore this policy. You have JSW and MG Motor, which are looking at it very closely, and Tata Motors. Interestingly, Tata Motors was one of the companies which was opposed to any duty concessions to Tesla. But now that Tesla would be coming in, or most probably will come in as a result of this policy, there is competition, and we believe that Tata Motors is also exploring this policy very closely. They are trying to understand more from the government. They are exploring whether they can avail of duty concessions to bring high-end JLR electric vehicles into India in the next 3 years or so. So a lot of interest in this policy, according to sources in the government, but we will have to wait for those commercial announcements to be made by the companies.
All right, Parikshit, yes, we are waiting. Many thanks for joining us. Private equity giant Blackstone betting big on India. Blackstone's president Jonathan Gray says India is the third most